Hi guys, this is Sunny and today nandito ako sa Ueno. Mostly Japanese, they celebrate the Sakura. Sakura means cherry blossom. Ayan, maraming mga Japanese. Ginagawa nila, nagiinuman sila sa ilalim ng cherry blossom tree. So that is one of the tradition of the Japanese. So nakikitradisyon ako dito. Together with my hubby. Hello.
Hello.
Yan, okay. Okay na. Yan, maraming foreigner pumupunta dito. Very nice the flower, no? Did you know that itong cherry blossom, only 1 week lang nagtatagal yung mga flowers nila. That's why very important to sa mga Japanese na ginagawa nila dito. Kasi ginagawa nila, nag-drink sila sa ilalim ng puno ng cherry blossom just to celebrate. That is video? Huh? You here. Yan. Yan ang siga ano. Yan siga fall down. That's all guys. Thank you. Bye bye.